Number BUDGET 19 matters what the 2019 budget speech means for the average South African. In his 2019 budget speech at the National Assembly in Cape Town on Wednesday, February 20th, Finance Minister Tito Mboweni said that, although SA was facing a tough fiscal year, there was room for growth. It will not be easy. There are no quick fixes. But our nation is ready for renewal. We are ready to plant the seeds of our future, he said. The expected economic growth for 2018 is still at 0.7% as outlined in the 2018 medium-term budget policy statement, despite the 2018 technical recession. Real gross domestic growth in 2019 is expected to rise to 1.5% and strengthen moderately to 2.1% in 2021. But what does this mean for the South African taxpayer? A grant for first-time homeowners. The government has set aside money to help people buy homes, support land reform and transfer deeds. Mboweni announced a new Help to Buy subsidy, which will receive R950 meters over 3 years. Tweeting for Metropolitan, economist Santi Pay said the pilot would support first-time home buyers and was also meant to help people build assets and wealth. This initiative, in particular, is extremely important to the ongoing growth and stability of a developing country. A renewed focus on education. More than R30 billion has been allocated to build new schools and maintain school infrastructure, as well as R2.8 billion to replace pit latrines at more than 2,400 schools. In tertiary education, R111.2 billion has been allocated to help 2.8 million students from poor and working-class families obtain qualifications at universities and technical and vocational education and training TVET colleges. The government is also rolling out a maths and science grant, while the governor of the Reserve Bank is driving an ambitious fintech program in an attempt to prepare South Africans for the fourth industrial revolution. Increase in payments of social grants. The minister announced small increases in old age, disability, war veteran, care dependency and foster grants R80. The child support grant will increase to R420 in April and to R430 in October. Pay said an increase in social grants would help contribute to economic activity, as more people would have money to spend on the things they need, especially in townships. More support for small business. We need to free our entrepreneurs from stifling regulations and complicated taxes, Mboweni said. To support small business, the government has allocated R481.6 meters to the Small Enterprise Development Agency to expand the Small Business Incubation Program. State-owned entity restructure, but no bailout. I want to make it clear, the national government is not taking on Eskom's debt now at R422 billion. Eskom took on the debt. It must ultimately repay it. We are setting aside R23 billion a year to financially support Eskom during its reconfiguration. The minister said the fiscal support is conditional on an independent chief reorganization officer being jointly appointed by the ministers of finance and public enterprises, and explained the government would divide the state-owned entity into 3 independent components. Carbon tax and fuel increase. Carbon tax will come into effect from June 1, 2019. This means South Africans and companies will pay tax for polluting the environment, Pay said. Fuel levies will increase by 29 cents per litre for petrol and 30 cents per litre for diesel. Etienne Leroux, Metropolitan's chief financial officer, said a change in fuel price affected everything from people's mobility and ability to get to work to the cost of manufacturing, and that volatility in fuel costs is a deterrent to the systemic benefits that are possible if only the cost of fuel and transport could be stable and sustainably lower. Expansion of VAT zero-rated items. From April 1, 2019, white bread flour, cake flour and sanitary pads will not carry value-added tax VAT. Nicolette Mashal, media personality and financial consumer education activist, tweeted at the Metropolitan event, "As a female who is well aware of the costs of sanitary pads, this really brings a smile to my face. The budget comes across very market-specific, and this is a win for the consumer."